72, December 2026. Oh. Insurance is unconfirmed.
26, Pine Bluff, 1024.
10-4, go ahead.
Highway 65 at the Sonic with 644 Zebra Frank X-Ray 644 ZFX. It's going to be on a Nissan Murano.
What begins as a routine vehicle check is about to explode into a dangerous high-speed pursuit. Within moments, officers realize this driver has no intention of stopping. Every radio call, every turn, and every decision now carries real consequences. Stay with us because this chase escalates fast, and one wrong move could change everything.
B27. Good. They said 530 is not locked, but Griffin Springs is.
That's going to be for me, 24 Pine Bluff, 10 Washington, I can.
CFS received.
Sorry, I thought I said 24.
CFS comments added.
Pine Bluff. We're now doing a circle through the grocery store parking lot next to Walmart. We pulled out of the Sonic parking lot. Now headed back towards 65.
Ten-4, are you 1037?
Negative, standby. 26 to 27, 1019 this way.
Comments added.
We're southbound, now leaving McGee.
On 65?
Yeah, 10-4.
Right here on State Highway Cross 30 and Option 30. I'll be sitting so put this signal to Pine Bluff. So you southbound on 65?
Yeah, 10-4. Pine Bluff, show me 1037.
10-4, that's directed for E26 and 37. Where you at?
We're southbound on 65. We passed Masonville Road. Speeds are 70.
10-4, but 65 more.
TDI.
Don't notify, I'll call for the road.
26 Pine Bluff, unsuccessful TVI. They're back on the roadway. Still southbound on 65.
What's your call?
Approaching the county line.
Alright, I'm on your speed. MPH, so you're around McGee area? 827 Pine Bluff, company 65, past 459, speed 127.
CFS comments added.
I'll have the radio.
light traffic.
CFS comments added.
E27, he's trying to TBI now. If you got state police, you can hear him.
CFS comments added.
They're off-roading right now, going through a ditch. It's going to be Emma onto a field. Look out. Go up, Bill.
Speeds are now climbing past 120 miles per hour, leaving officers with almost no margin for error. When the suspect suddenly cuts through a ditch and into an open field, the pursuit instantly shifts from highway tactics to unpredictable off-road driving. Would you continue the chase here or back off to protect everyone nearby?
Hands! Give me your hand. Good fight! Give me your hand! He's fighting, he's weak. Give me your hand. Make it again. Got it? Move your fucking hand out. Move your hand, you're gonna get fucking shot. Arm out. Put your arm out now! Put your fucking arm out! Then get it out. Okay, God, you own it. You got some hand. Go. Give me your hand. Yeah, give me your hand. Give me your hand. It's kind of be a bad we got him. You're stupid. You know that? Have fun in jail. He's got a 27 Pablo, 41016.
Log taser deployed.
Taser deployed multiple times. Start next 1011. 1015 one time.
Hey, I'm Trooper Eddie Dark, Lord, thankfully. I hope you know you're my second pursuit in 2 days. You're my third in 2 weeks. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand the rights that I just read to you?
We got one in custody.
I'm going to take that as a yes. We're going to jail, buddy.
Lift clear at 754.
Notify all call supervisor. We've got multiple tasers.
10-4.
Yeah, he's fighting over the dope.
E5, E27.
Oh, my fucking hand, man. These fucking, this cop is cutting my goddamn hand, bro. Shit. My hand is hurt, man. It's cutting my hand right here, bro. I'm not trying to do shit, man. Hey, shut up. You didn't care about all that when you ran and put everybody's life in jeopardy. Bump through this ditch. So shut up. Don't pull these out of the crew. Lean up. Pull that one out. Good. You have to log this. Man, this motherfucking cuff.
Be still. Hey, be still and we'll fix the cuffs, okay?
When you fight, that's what happened. I wasn't fighting you. Yeah, you was. No, I wasn't, bro. Yeah, you ran, bro. You fight too. No, I wasn't. Yeah, you did. I ain't swinging on none of y'all, bro.
What? Yeah, we've already started.
Hey, can you get a bag to drop these taser phones in?
I know, bro. Be still, be still, be still.
He's trying to get it out. All right. Take these. There should be more.
Yeah, there should be.
I'm going to rip this off right here.
Actually, no, I got him on the second one.
All right. I'm going to rip these off. We're going to secure these. Hey, money's on the ground.
Hurting, man. They too tight on the
All right, we'll fix them in a
So
second.
when you're fighting over a dime bag of weed, what happens?
If you open the back, I got a
We got the phone
garbage container.
Yeah, we'll get that.
All right, go to the front. Go to the front.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
Shit.
Give me money in your phone.
Okay. Well, shit.
Put all this in there.
Yeah, go ahead.
Put some gloves, Barnes.
Good now. Better? Yeah.
Hang on a minute. Hang on. Hang on, I'll get all that and I'll wrap it up as well, okay? Everybody got the phone up.
Face that way. Face the car. You're gonna have to work a wreck. You're gonna have to work a wreck. I fucked my car up. Come on.
Yeah, get my house too.
Hang on.
I ain't going nowhere, man.
Hey, I was just saying now. You all wrapped up. Alright.
2627, I was able to finally get through to the DPD. They're calling an ambulance in.
They got my house too.
Do it.
They got my shoe.
Yeah, and just say, go to this door. You didn't need anything. Great. I'm trying to ask for what?
What's that?
You didn't like ingest any dope? Nothing.
No, man.
Okay.
No.
I don't want you ODing in my backseat.
Hell no.
Watch your foot.
Check where they have it.
The pursuit ends with a determined foot fight, multiple taser deployments, and officers finally bringing the suspect into custody without a catastrophic crash. It's a reminder that patience, communication, and coordinated tactics often matter more than speed alone. If you enjoy real police pursuit breakdowns, like this video, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real-world chase analysis.